Parents, are you looking for the best new kids show that is trendy, educational, fun, and has new episodes almost every day? Bluei the bird is just for you. Handcrafted with heart and love, this show will spark creativity and make your kids watch something meaningful again. Bluei the bird teaches stories of friendship, sharing, and how to love, as well as how to forgive and forget, while still making them have fun while being educated. So come and join in on the fun. Bluei is waiting for you.